Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some big Metahero coin news. So in yesterday's video, when I was discussing Metahero, one of the main applications that I talked about was its use for holograms and maybe visual representations of an AI program. Now today, Metahero actually posted a tweet discussing one of the potential applications of its digital avatar. So let's take a look at what exactly they are saying. So here we can see this picture and it says Metahero is colonizing the metaverse and we have companies. So you see Metahero in the middle and there's companies like Twitter, Facebook, Google, Roblox, right? And that's the general picture case here. So here the title says Metahero is colonizing the metaverse and we have company. So what they're talking about is their first use case is avatars for social media and other communication platforms. So their digital avatar technology, they're planning on using it as a social media digital avatar. So kind of like a three-dimensional version of a Bitmoji. Now, speaking of Bitmojis, Metascanned avatars that use this, device that they have, the Metascanner, is basically the next generation Bitmoji because it's a 3D digitized version. Now, here they're saying that in an interview with Facebook, right, it says that Facebook is planning on becoming a metaverse company. So they want to also get into this space. So this means that Zuckerberg wants to take Facebook to the metaverse as the next level for this company. So in other words, they're also working on a similar technology as Metahero. So this actually has huge implications for Metahero coin. Firstly, what could happen is that the big tech companies, so companies like Facebook, Twitter, Google, they might start competing with each other to acquire Metahero so that they can control the very framework of this new metaverse itself. It's one thing to have the ability to spread the technology to new users, but it's another thing to be able to control the very framework of this new system itself. So Metahero could kind of be the leader of the metaverse because right now they are the ones who are ahead with this digital avatar creation space. And even though all of these other tech companies have a lot more capital to work with than Metahero, they might just try to partner up or outright buy Metahero itself. Now, in the event that Metahero does get bought, the price of this crypto would skyrocket because of this acquisition. And as a result, having a big backing from a company like Google or Facebook means that more people will create the digital avatars using Metahero's technology. Now, in order to create this avatar, you need to use Metahero tokens. So the actual coin itself, the Metahero coin, that's the payment that they're trying to use to make these digital avatars. So by acquiring Metahero and basically spreading their technology to the rest of the world, there is going to be an increased demand for Metahero tokens. So people might start stacking up on Metahero coins by the thousands or millions because right now it's so cheap. And digital avatars are the next big thing, so there is going to be a necessity to create a digital avatar. Now, in light of this news that was announced, so it was announced around 6 hours ago, I believe. Yeah, 6 hours ago. If we take a look at the chart, so on the daily chart right here, the 24-hour chart, we can see that that was around right here, 6 hours ago. And what happened is that the price of the coin spiked, and it spiked around 4 to 6%, right? So it spiked a lot actually in terms of it spiking. So it spiked a lot because of this news that was announced. and then after that it slowly went down and there was a huge drop here, and then now it started going back up. So that means that this type of reaction is evidence of Metahero gaining more popularity and having the attention, having all those eyes watching the price of this coin. So that's definitely great news for the coin itself. So now that I understand the project of what Metahero is doing, and I also know that there are big tech companies trying to get into this space as well, I think that Metahero might actually not be a bad buy, and I'm considering investing into this coin myself. Now, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. As always, do your own research and see if it makes sense to you. So that's my thoughts on Metahero today. If you found this video to be useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next one.